First of all, how to amplify sound in Audacity Audio. The amplify effect is used to change the volume of the selected track. For this, open the audio track which you wish to amplify the audio. Now I am going to add two multiple audios. We can classify the either amplify the audio or not. So once listen the audio. So these are the two similar audios from up to 6 seconds. So now I am going to change the amplify the second audio track from this place to this place. I am going to select that area. Here is the selection tool. Click on that and select this area where you need to amplify the sound. So and drag right side. So I am going to select this area. After that, go to effects of menu. Click on that. Then select the amplify. Click on amplify. The pop-up window will open like this. So here is the amplification decibels are appear here, where you can input the amplification value in decibels. However, just click OK after completion of this. So I am going to increasing the amplification. Then click on that OK. So how the clip was totally changed. Now let us listen. It is the previous sound. So this is what amplify the audio. Now I am going to decrease the amplification. Same, click on that effect button and amplify. First of all, you have to select the area. Then click on effect button and then select the amplify, and I am choosing low amplification. Then click on OK. So how the appearance was changed. Now listen. It is previous. This is what amplification tool is used. Now let us learn how to change tempo of these two audios. The change tempo effect is applied to change the tempo of the selection without changing its pitch. So select the track first. Here I am going to select this track which you wish to change the tempo. Then go to the effect tool, click on that, then select the change tempo. Here is the change tempo tool, click on that. Dialog box is appear like this. The input boxes, the first one is percentage change and the second one is beats per minute. The next one is length, are linked each other. Therefore changing the value in one box will be change the values in other boxes as appropriate. So now let us go for percentage change. If user know the amount you want to change the tempo of the selection, enter that value in that input box. You can also drag the slider. Here is the slider. You can also drag the slider, either decrease or increase, to select the value. The input box will update as you drag the slider, as you can see in the change tempo dialog box. Okay, so if you change 1%, automatically the length also was changed and the percentage also changed. So then click on OK button. So how it could be happen, now let us listen. This area was previously recorded. So after changing the tempo, now let us listen. So pitch was never changed, but tempo was changed. So now select the same area and go to the effect button and click on tempo. Now let us learn beats per, what is the beats per minute, BPM. So if user know the BPM of the selection and the BPM you want to change it to, enter the values here, the BPM from to, then update the percentage change automatically and the length also changed. Now let us learn the third area, that is called length. User would like to the new length of the selection to be, enter that value here in the input box here. The box shows the current length of the selection and it cannot be changed. This is useful if user have a piece of a narration that is just a little bit too long or too short to fit where user want to it. Then click on OK. Now let us listen.